this gets into the realm of how much detail you need in your simulation. So say in quantum a pretty important environmental factor is the temperature of an environment, both in a system, in a node, but hopefully your systems are shielded. But for example, the temperature of a fiber can massively impact its performance. And so understanding, if this is the case for you, understanding what effect the temperature has on your fiber infrastructure, and say how that varies across the day, if it does, will be important. Oftentimes, you may not even need to worry about this if you know, in general, given the temperature of the environment, if you're able to characterize what the performance is of say your fiber, then you can just say like, okay, yeah, it has this attenuation and this whatever. If on the other hand, you have an environmental factor that is varying across time, like temperature variance, then you would need to go into more detail and say, okay, given this temperature, how will that affect my performance? And so that's getting more into the nitty-gritty physics of it, which you can simulate as well in the emulator. But yeah, it kind of depends on what level of detail you need. But yeah, in general, if you know what environmental factors are important to you and how they affect your systems, then you can model those.